Today we are going to review an app called Shepper. It looks like this. It's a UK app and it helps you to earn money for finishing some tasks. Okay. Now, um, on the app, if you read, they say become a shepherd and get paid to carry out simple local checks on everything from billboards to bus stops. No special skills needed. Okay, and these guys can really pay. If you're wondering if Shipper is legit. These guys are legit, and they have more than 100K downloads. And if you look into their reviews, it's not really so bad. Though I think their app kind of sometimes lags depending on the phone that you're using. Of course, there are some bad reviews, okay, and good reviews, but generally the good reviews are more than the bad ones, okay. And I've checked around on different platforms. What they say about cheaper. What I can say, it's if you're looking at an app which you can do as a side gig, you can try out cheaper. Okay, we're going to look at how much you can make and how much time you have to invest in, and what do people say who have been using cheaper app. If you can earn a lot of money than just pocket money if you can really be willing to travel, because these guys can really send you to different places. Okay, you really need to have a smartphone and a good camera. I think those are the main necessities. That is the capital you have to be with. The requirements, you have to be with a smartphone and a good camera. Okay, you really can't do a lot on cheaper if you don't have a good camera with a good camera on your phone. Okay, now if you check at people who are using the app, what they say, um, is buy one. I download the app and sign up. If was find out after the update what the app does, it's asking me over and over. Has a complaint about the app. Update the app for the jobs that are located are good. This app where you submit all your inspections have a lot of bugs that need sorting out. I really like the concept of this app and it's quite seems quite easy to use. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of jobs around me. Town is in UK, but I think it has a lot of potential. I will certainly be checking every once in a while to see if anything pops up. Actually, actually you have to be these guys kind of assign you jobs depending on where you are. So if they assign you a job, so that's why I was saying from the start, like if you're willing to travel actually to different places, because they can tell you to go and take photos of a certain property or a certain billboard. So if you're kind of a person who doesn't want to engage a lot, who doesn't really want to go out, I think this may be a bit tricky for you. But if you're kind of a person who can go out, take photo of maybe a property or something, you can earn really some good money with cheaper. Okay, with Shepper, whatever it is. In the comments around, this people I saw were even making like $2,500 in 1 year. That was kind of cool money, just doing it as a side gig. And you can expect like $5 per task. For example, they can send you out to take a photo of maybe of a property. So that's why I was saying you have to be with a smartphone and a good camera. Then you submit them. Okay, so that can earn you like $5. If you're willing to do several tasks, maybe let me say 100 places in 1 day, it can be like maybe that is 500 pounds. Okay, in theory. Okay, because you may not really be able to do all everything in 1 day, but that is what you should expect. And you can really cash out with cheaper, and they are legit. So no need to really to be afraid of them for being legit. These guys are legit. The queries come in into the app crashing, and also some people thinking like it's not really worthy for what they have to be doing. But remember, this will be something that you have to do. Uh, that you have to do as a side gig. Okay, just install couldn't get past the initial agreement bit. You have to provide your own insurance to do $10 jobs. What sort of cover would you need for that? You have to sort your own tax, etc., and provide documentation as proof of both. Also, you get paid monthly, so nothing for the first month at least, and there's a wee sneaky bit about it. Okay, I think this can be a heads up for someone. You have to provide your own insurance to do, like, something like that. You have to sort of on tax etc, something like that. The good thing is guys have a good customer support. I've realized actually most of their reviews, they kind of try to explain to someone. Okay. Higher projects usually provide insurance multiple for every job that you do. This is stated in the agreement. As for the income tax, you have to do it yourself as you be the contractor. And this is entirely normal. Withdrawals from work can be done multiple times from the same ones. Okay. All right. So I think that is it. If you prefer to use Shepper, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Also in the description, I'm leaving a link to other apps, surveys, games, and others. Even actually some websites that you can try to check out. Some of them actually are secret sites. Don't forget to check out that link in the description. And most importantly, subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get notifications of videos like this, of apps and platforms that you didn't know exist that can help you earn money, passive income, side gigs, everything. Okay. So see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.